The MEI CASHFLOW Series 7000 Coin Manager has unique features which make it different from the traditional coin changer. In addition to accepting and paying out coins, the CASHFLOW 7000 has tracking and diagnostic abilities that minimize exact change situations yet maintain low coin inventory. But even with these extra features, the CASHFLOW 7000 is simple to use, easy to diagnose, and highly reliable. Hi, I'm Ashley Gerson from MEI, and welcome to the training video for the MEI CASHFLOW 7000 Coin Manager. For your convenience, this video is divided into 5 chapters. You may view each chapter separately, or you may view the entire video from beginning to end. Topics include installation procedure, paring, programming with the CASHFLOW programming module, business audit information, and diagnostics. For further information on the material in this video, refer to the installation guide or contact the MEI Technical Help Desk during the hours of 8:30 a.m. through 5 o'clock p.m. Eastern Time at 1-800-345-8172. Chapter 1. CASHFLOW 7000 Installation. In this chapter, we will review the installation process for the CASHFLOW 7000 Coin Manager. Prior to installation, remove power from the vending machine. Open the machine door to gain access to the coin mechanism mounting compartment. Press the yellow button on the coin manager and pull the acceptor assembly forward and down. The yellow button is located on the top right, below the reject lever. Locate the 3 mounting holes and the machine's mounting points. Hang the coin manager on the mounting screws or studs, ensuring that the unit is mounted on all 3 mounting points. Use the proper screwdriver to tighten the 3 mounting screws, and then close the acceptor assembly. For machines with multiple mounting points, use the points recommended by your machine manufacturer. Route the coin manager wiring harness. Ensure that the harness does not interfere with the coin entry opening in the acceptor and any coin reject components. Connect the coin manager to the machine's appropriate interface harness. Tuck any excess length of harnessing into the machine. Make sure that the machine's reject mechanism is not resting on the coin manager's yellow return lever. Also, make sure the coin entry chute, cash box chute, and change return cup are properly aligned. Once the connection is made, reapply power to the machine. Make note of the power-up sequence on the coin manager as power is applied. During power-up, the LEDs will cycle 5 times. The coin manager will check to see how many coins are in each tube, and will alert you as to which tubes are low. Remove the coin cassette by lifting the yellow coin cassette latch and tilting the cassette forward and out. Hang the coin cassette on the mounting hook. The yellow cassette latch will pop up when the cassette is properly mounted. Note that if not properly mounted, the cassette can fall off, spilling the coins. Next, insert coins into the correct tubes. MEI recommends a minimum of 10 coins of each denomination. This will ensure proper operation of the vendor. Reinstall the coin cassette. Make sure that the base is in securely before pushing the cassette back into place. Then make sure that the latch locks in place. If the coin levels are okay, it will display a happy face and the total amount of change in the tubes. We recommend that you dispense some coins from each tube and check that all coins drop into the coin return cup properly. Now that you have finished the installation of the CASHFLOW 7000, close the vendor door and perform a test vend using coins. This concludes the training on the installation of the MEI CASHFLOW 7000. Chapter 2. Introduction to paring. The MEI CASHFLOW 7000 gives the operator a wide variety of par options. Par is defined as the dollar value or coin level for the amount of coins to maintain in the cassette. There are 3 types of par available on the CASHFLOW 7000. The first is par to level, which is the default setting from the factory. In par to level, each coin tube is set for the quantity of coins to maintain in each specific tube. This is set by the operator. The second is par to value, where you assign a dollar amount or value of coins to be held in the cassette. The CASHFLOW 7000 then calculates the optimal mix of coins by denomination using recent history. The third option is AutoPar. In AutoPar, the coin manager intelligently manages the coins. Using recent history, the CASHFLOW 7000 calculates optimal value and mix of coins, thus minimizing the amount of coins in the cassette. For AutoPar to work, it requires some time for the coin manager to gather information on how the tubes are being used. During this time, it will run the tubes at their maximum level to ensure there is always enough change. The default par setting from the factory is par to level with full tubes. If you change the par setting to par to value, the default value is $50. To program par options, we will use the Man-Machine Interface Display, referred to as the MMI. The MMI consists of 3 LEDs on the left-hand side, a 3-line LCD in the middle which is surrounded by 6 buttons, and the IR port, which we will discuss in Chapter 3. The yellow button below the E is the mode key, which provides access to the features of the coin manager.
Hi, my name is Anthony Ortiz with MEI, and I will be demonstrating paring the MEI CASHFLOW 7512. Please note, the default par setting for the 7512 is par to level, and the level is max fill. Now let's begin by programming the 7512 for par to value. Press Menu, Setup. You will be prompted to enter the passcode of ABC. Par options will be displayed. Press Select. Select Style will be displayed. Press Select or the yellow key. Press Edit or the yellow key. Par to level will now be displayed. Press the up or down arrow to the desired setting. Par to value. Press OK. Our new setting will be displayed. Par to value. Press back. Select Style will be displayed. We must now enter the par value. Press the up arrow key. Par value will be displayed. Press Select or the yellow key, and your current default setting of $50 will be displayed. Press Edit or the yellow key. You can use the left or right arrow buttons along with the up and down arrows to change the current setting. Press OK or the yellow key once the desired value setting has been reached. Our new setting will be displayed, $57. Press back, back, and back to exit the program. We have now successfully programmed the 7512 for par to value. We will now demonstrate par to level. We do so by pressing the yellow key, Setup. The display will prompt you to enter the passcode of ABC. Par options will be displayed. Press Select. Select Style will be displayed. Press Select or the yellow key. Par to value will now be displayed as your current setting. Press Edit or the yellow key. And now you can use the up arrow or the down arrow to select the desired setting, par to level. Once the desired setting has been reached, press OK or the yellow key. Par to level will be displayed. Press the back key. We must now select our coin levels. Press the up arrow and set par levels will be displayed. Press Select or the yellow key and our current coin denomination will be displayed, which is 5 cents, and its current setting of 77. Now keep in mind, if you have 2 nickel tubes, that number should be doubled. Press Edit or the yellow key and press the down arrow or the up arrow to change the coin level to the desired setting. Once the desired setting has been reached, press OK. Our new setting will be displayed. Next, we must set the next coin denomination. Press the up arrow and our next coin denomination of 10 cents will be displayed. Again, keep in mind, if you have 2 10-cent tubes, that number will be doubled. Press Edit or the yellow key. Our current setting will be illuminated or highlighted. Press the down or the up arrow to change that number to the desired setting. Press OK or the yellow key, our new setting will be displayed. Press back, back, and back to exit the programming. You have now successfully programmed PAR to level. Now we will demonstrate PAR to auto or auto PAR. Press the menu key to enter the program. Press Setup. The display will prompt you to enter the passcode of A, B, C. PAR options will be displayed. Press Select or the yellow key. Select Style will then be displayed. Press Select or the yellow key. Our current setting will be displayed, PAR to level. In order to change that setting, press Edit or the yellow key. PAR to level will then be highlighted. Use the up or down arrows to select the desired setting. Once reached, press OK or the yellow key. PAR to auto will be displayed. Press back, back, and back to exit the program. You have now completed PAR to auto or auto PAR. Now that we have programmed our PAR options, we will demonstrate the PAR process. Keep in mind, as a route driver, you may be required to PAR the 7512. We do so by pressing the yellow menu key, pressing PAR or the A key. Starting PAR will be displayed. Press Next or the yellow key. Any excess coins will be dispensed. The coin manager will then ask for any required coins to be added. PAR complete will then be displayed. Press Finish or the yellow key, and the coin manager will exit the program automatically. We have now successfully completed PARing the coin mech.
This concludes the training on PARing the MEI CASHFLOW 7000. Chapter 3, CPM Programming. In this chapter, we will learn how to update software in the MEI CASHFLOW 7000 by using the CASHFLOW Programming Module, also referred to as the CPM. The software can be updated by connecting the CPM to the coin manager. A picture of the CPM and an arrow located to the right of the MMI display will show where the connection is made. Once you locate the CPM connector on the MMI display, orient the plug as shown and insert the plug into the coin manager. It may be necessary to open the MMI display to achieve this. Do not disconnect or remove power from the CPM during the data download. Once the CPM is connected to the coin manager, the programming will begin automatically. A progress bar will be displayed. The maximum time for a download is 4 minutes. Some downloads, depending on the changes made, may only take seconds. When the download is completed, the coin manager dispense motor will cycle and the MMI display will reset back to its operational condition. You may now remove the CPM from the coin manager. Ensure that the MMI display door is back in the closed position. This concludes the chapter on programming the MEI CASHFLOW 7000. Chapter 4, Audit Information. In this chapter, we will discuss the 3 types of audit data information available on the CASHFLOW 7000 Coin Manager. To access audit information, press the yellow mode button on the MMI display twice in quick succession with the cassette in place. Each message will be shown for 3 seconds and will scroll continuously until it is complete. The screen can be paused by pressing the pause key. Once pressed, the pause key will change to the resume key. When the resume key is pressed, the audit information will resume scrolling. If at any time you wish to terminate the process, press the exit key. There are 3 types of data shown. The first set of screens shows the historical data: value of cash to cash box, value of coins to tubes, value of cash dispensed as change, value of manual dispense. Note that value of bills accepted will only be shown if a bill validator is connected directly to the coin manager via the MDB peripheral connector. The second set of audit screens shows the current status of the tube counts. Total tube value is the total value of all the coins stored in the entire cassette. This set of audit screens will show the coin information for tubes A through E. This includes the number of coins, the denomination of the coins, and the total value of the coins in each tube. The third set of audit data, called Critical Business Statistics, or CBS, provides annualized estimates of product performance. The product collects data up to the last 28 days and makes annual estimates based on the vending machine activity. These estimates relate to conditions that can affect annual sales, such as exact change, change available, and time disabled by the VMC. Note that these are estimates and should only be used as a guide. For a detailed explanation of the audit screens, please refer to the Operation and Maintenance Guide. This concludes the chapter on audit information. Chapter 5, Diagnostics. In this chapter, we will discuss the diagnostics of the MEI CASHFLOW 7000. The Coin Manager's MMI panel consists of 3 status LEDs and an LCD display, which are helpful in diagnosing the status of the Coin Manager. The status LEDs are arranged in a standard stoplight pattern: green on the bottom, amber in the middle, and red on the top. They provide up-to-the-minute status information of the Coin Manager. If the green LED is on solid, the Coin Manager is on and working properly. A slow flash of the green LED indicates setup or service mode, and a fast flash indicates there is a message available for display. The message will recommend a coin tube configuration. The amber LED allows you to pinpoint a problem that may have occurred on one of the modules of the Coin Manager. If the amber light is on solid, the Coin Manager is disabled by the vending machine controller and will display a check vendor message. This indicates a fault related to the vending machine, such as sold out product or some other vending machine specific issue. If the amber light is flashing, count the number of flashes between pauses to determine the error. The LCD readout will display alert messages along with its referencing LED code. One flash of the amber LED means there is a discriminator error. To resolve this issue, open the top module acceptor lid, check for debris, and see if it needs cleaning. 2 flashes indicates an accept gate error. That means the Coin Manager has detected debris in the accept gate areas. To resolve this issue, open the MMI display, clear the debris, and test the unit. 3 flashes means there is a tube error. This could be caused by coins jamming in the top of the tube, debris in the top of the tube, or the wrong tube being installed. 4 flashes means there is a dispenser module error. The alert dispenser message indicates that there is a problem within the dispenser area relating to tubes A through E. Remove the cassette, locate the issue, and resolve it. Upon clearing the error, you must rehome the dispenser by pressing the yellow mode button twice prior to reinstalling the coin cassette. 5 flashes indicates that the Coin Manager is low on change, but will continue to operate normally. To resolve the issue, add change to the appropriate tubes. If the red and green lights are flashing alternately, there is a fault within the Coin Manager, and it must be returned to an MEI authorized service center. This concludes training on the diagnostics of the MEI CASHFLOW 7000. Thank you for watching. This concludes the instructional video for the MEI CASHFLOW 7000 Coin Manager. Please direct any questions or feedback to the MEI Technical Support Help Desk. The MEI CASHFLOW Series 7000 Coin Manager has unique features which make it different from the traditional coin changer. In addition to accepting and paying out coins, the CASHFLOW 7000 has tracking and diagnostic abilities that minimize exact change situations yet maintain low coin inventory. But even with these extra features, the CASHFLOW 7000 is simple to use, easy to diagnose, and highly reliable. Hi, I'm Ashley Gerson from MEI, and welcome to the training video for the MEI CASHFLOW 7000 Coin Manager. For your convenience, this video is divided into 5 chapters. You may view each chapter separately, or you may view the entire video from beginning to end. Topics include installation procedure, paring, programming with the CASHFLOW programming module, business audit information, and diagnostics. For further information on the material in this video, refer to the installation guide or contact the MEI Technical Help Desk during the hours of 8:30 a.m. through 5 o'clock p.m. Eastern Time at 1-800-345-8172. Chapter 1. CASHFLOW 7000 Installation. In this chapter, we will review the installation process for the CASHFLOW 7000 Coin Manager. Prior to installation, remove power from the vending machine. Open the machine door to gain access to the coin mechanism mounting compartment. Press the yellow button on the coin manager and pull the acceptor assembly forward and down. The yellow button is located on the top right, below the reject lever. Locate the 3 mounting holes and the machine's mounting points. Hang the coin manager on the mounting screws or studs, ensuring that the unit is mounted on all 3 mounting points. Use the proper screwdriver to tighten the 3 mounting screws, and then close the acceptor assembly. For machines with multiple mounting points, use the points recommended by your machine manufacturer. Route the coin manager wiring harness. Ensure that the harness does not interfere